Hey traders, welcome back to another daily profit and loss recap video. Today is Wednesday, September 27th. I just finished up trading for the morning and I locked in $323 in profits. I had one trade in the stock SPRC and I used a very simple strategy here using support and resistance mostly. So stay tuned through this entire video. We're going to break down exactly why I bought and sold at the prices that I did. That being said, we can of course see that SPRC was gapping up this morning in pre-market. This is kind of the first thing that I look for when I'm looking for a gap and go, of course. And I liked that this was holding on to its gains pretty well into the market open. We do get a little bit of a pullback here once the market does open, but that is before it hits this high of just about 27 cents. That's going to give us our opening range breakout level. So if we were to draw that on the chart, this is what we would have. Now what I like about this setup is that it hits that high, pulls back, and then starts to form a higher low before it actually breaks out above that level. A lot of times we'll see a stock that will form its opening range breakout level, it will push through just a few minutes later, and then it will get rejected straight back down. So I like that this one actually formed a little bit of a base first, and then it started to break out afterwards. So that was kind of what I was seeing when this was pushing through that opening range breakout level. I will say that I did miss out on this initial breakout trade, but I kind of just traded this based then on the support and resistance that followed from this breakout. So if we were to get rid of this line here, what I posted in the Market Master group was that now that SPRC was breaking through that opening range breakout level, it will ideally hold on to 28 cents on pullbacks, and that would offer a good area to look for dip buys. Now where I came up with 28 cents was using the pre-market levels here. We can see that 28 cent area is turning into a bit of resistance here in the late pre-market session. So if we go ahead and just draw this line here at 28 cents, we can see once we get that opening range breakout level, pulls back, bounces perfectly off of it, and starts to run up to new highs. So that is exactly what I was looking for to happen, and that was actually the reason that I bought some shares in this stock. About 5,000 shares almost right away once it started to bounce from that level, and then I added 5,000 more shares just over 30 cents, which brought my average price to right around that 30-cent mark. So I locked in some quick profits here as it made new highs, and then I let it run all the way up here to this high, and once it got rejected back down and it started to form some lower highs here, that's where I locked in the rest of my profits. It was a relatively small trade. I locked in $323 in profits, but it was a solid technical setup here on the chart, so I wanted to break down this trade and kind of just explain to you what I was looking for, why I wanted that 28 cent area to hold as support, and how I traded this once that level did end up turning into support. So that being said, this was my only trade for the day. Much like the past couple of days, I was one and done today. In this market, I'm really just trying to have a quality over quantity approach to my trading, trying to get that one good trade each day and move on because, take something like PIXY, for example. There are just tons of false breakouts left and right. There's not a lot of follow through to the upside, and it's a very difficult market to be trading right now. We can see this forms a high up here of $1.36. That's going to be the opening range breakout level. Breaks above it by only 2 cents and then gets rejected back down. Things like this will happen in any market condition, but it has been much more common over the past month or so. And that's just kind of why I'm trying to be really picky with the stocks that I trade. And I'm trying to keep myself from getting too greedy or jumping into trades that are not really worth my time. But anyway, I know it was a quick video. I hope you found some value in me recapping this trade with SPRC. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want to hear about these stocks that I'm trading in real time, as well as work with our team of traders, get access to our day trade and swing trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and so on and so forth, all of that can be found in the Market Master group. There's going to be a link down below in the description for you to get signed up. But anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.